Okay, we have page 3 of day 4 guided practice. We are going to do number 9 and number 11 together. Then you're going to be asked to do number 10 and 12 at the conclusion of this video. Okay, number 9. Some of these are copied weirdly. We need to click and drag each inequality to the correct box. Place each inequality next to the corresponding graph. So there are 4 inequalities here, and there are 4 graphs, and we need to match up the inequality with whichever graph it belongs with. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is to plug it into Desmos. We're going to type the first inequality here. We have 2x minus 5 is greater than x minus 2. Okay, and if we look, our solution is at 3, and we are pointed to the right, so we're greater than, and it is an open circle, open line. So if you look at this one, open at 3, pointed to the right, so this is going to be the solution. We would take this one and we drag it over to this graph. Okay, if we look at the next one, 4x plus 3 is less than 2x plus 9. Okay, we look at this one. We are also at 3. It is also a dotted line, so it's open, and we are pointed to the left. All right, so this is the matching graph. Okay, let's check the next one. We have 2 minus 3x is greater than 2x plus 17. Okay, this one is at -3, and we are shaded to the left. So this starts at -3 and is shaded to the left. This is the correct answer. And last one here, 9 minus 5x is less than 3x plus 33. Okay, we start here at -3 and we are shaded to the right with an open circle. So this is the graph. It just happened to be where these are already matched up for us, so we did not have to move them. If they were all mixed up, we would have to drag the blue inequality to the graph and the green inequality to the graph and so on. But it just happens so that they're right next to each other. That's not always going to be the case, so go ahead and just make sure you double check. All right, number 10, which numbers could be solutions to the inequality? We can just go ahead and plug this part into Desmos and see which of these answer choices are solutions. Remember, there should be more than one, so check every answer, please. Number 11. Which are solutions to the linear inequality? This is similar to number 10, but we're going to do this one together. Y is greater than -2x plus 3. Okay, and we have all these points. Now, it is easy to check these. I'm going to type in each of these points here. I'm going to start with 2, -1, parentheses 2, comma, -1. Okay, and there's the point. Notice that it is on the line, but that the line is not solid. Okay, we are not equal to here. So this point is not a solution. The only way a point on this line can be a solution is if it is a solid line, if we're equal to here. So we're not equal to, therefore this is not a point. Okay, next point we're going to try is -1, 5. So parentheses -1, comma 5. Okay, this point is also on the line, but since it is not solid, this is not a solution. Okay, next point we'll try is 2, 0. Oops. Okay, 2, 0. All right, it should be, oh, here's the problem. There we go. All right, there's 2, 0. Okay, that is in the shaded region, so this is an answer choice. Okay, and we need to check all the rest of them. 3, 1. Oh, keep doing that. All right, 3, 1. It is in the shaded area, so this is a point. This is a solution. We have 1, 1. All right, that is not a solution because it's right on the line. We have -1, 3. Okay, this is not in the shaded area, so it is not a solution. And we have 4, 5. Okay, this is definitely in the shaded area. That is a solution as well. Okay, and then the last question here, number 12, which graph represents the solutions to the linear inequality below? we need to graph this on Desmos here and then match the correct graph with that inequality. Okay. As always, make sure you are sliding over to the right and you are writing down what we did in Desmos. That way you can get full credit for your guided practice.